Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to BD Builds. If you're new here and you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it really helps the channel. We build custom pocket bikes, lawnmowers, and UTVs. We also do an occasional review video. But most of all, we love to have us some redneck family fun. So if you're digging what we're doing, please like, subscribe, and comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. But first, let's get to it. I just got this in. It's a graphics kit for my Polaris Ace. You can see. So I'm going to get this thing installed real quick. There's tons and tons of little graphics pieces you're going to have to put on. I'd say 50 plus pieces. So we washed it twice to get anything off the body, oils or any dirt or anything. And then I also got alcohol. Each piece that I put on, I'm going to wipe the area with alcohol first and apply it, and then I'm going to hit it with the heat gun. I also have a squeegee and some water to help move the graphic around until it's in place. And then we'll squeegee the water out and we'll hit it with the heat gun and make sure it sticks real good. So this is the Ace beforehand. I'm going to leave the red. So wherever their decal was supposed to go over that, I am not going to apply their decal there. We will apply the rest of the decal kits. You can see I got some just sitting on here. I mean, they got pieces that go in virtually everywhere on this thing that sit on top of everything. So, and stuff for the whole front. So I'll get it wrapped and then I'll get you a walk around video. Thanks guys. Hey guys, what's up? Just finished all the graphics kit. As you can see, I didn't use all the pieces. There's tons left. But I put them where I wanted them. You could switch it up, do it any way you wanted to. But I did it kind of tastefully, I think. Just put the one on the back here. And then on the sides here. I like the red, so I kept all the red. I mean, there were so many pieces, you could have covered every inch. I did the dash. I think it looks pretty sick, for sure. You could have covered like almost every inch of this thing, but theirs kind of looked sort of zebra-y, so I didn't want it to look like a zebra. But so please comment, let me know what you guys think. Anything that you might have done differently, but there it is, guys. One thing, you definitely want to use the heat gun because there's a lot of like a lot of curves, so to get it to stick really well, you want to use the heat gun. And there's some pieces that overlap a little bit. I'm going to trim them off because I notice them have a tendency to get dirt under them or start to lift. But overall, the pieces fit great. So I'll show you the box and everything. One more time, I got it from eBay, so here's the box. So you can just look that up on eBay and you'll see them for sale on there. Again guys, comment, let me know what you guys think. Thanks.